Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 4, it's my mistake, it's video number 4 on data handling. And I have selected 2 questions in this video. Still it is on the raw data. Raw data mean when the data is given individually like this. So these are extension and challenging question. And after that I will solve in next video mean, mode, median on the frequency table. And I'll explain you what does this mean. So let's see the question here. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can put the video on pause and try to solve it first yourself. Okay, so let's start. There was a test which was out of 40 marks. And these are the marks obtained by the students. So how many students are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the marks of 7 students, right? Let's assume, because there are 7 marks. Work out the mode. Mode mean which marks was obtained by most of the students. So can you see the data? This is called data, right? So can you see the data, I mean by marks, and tell me which mark is obtained by most of the students? Absolutely right, it is 32, which is repeated. There is no other mark which is repeated. So I can say mode is 32. Now median. Median, I told you earlier, we arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. So let me arrange it. It is not arranged, right? So first 20 will come, then 29 will come, then 31 will come, then 2 times 32 will come, then 35 will come, and then 38, right? So I hope we have not forgotten any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete. Now 7. 7 is the odd number. So there will be one central data. So what is the half exactly central position of 7 data? Yes, 4th place will be in the center. You can see 3 datas are here and 3 datas are here. So you can count or whatever technique you want to know, but this is the basic thing. You should know if there are 7 people standing, then who is in the central position? 4th place person. So this is 32 is my median. So when I will answer the question, what is the median? I will just figure it out and I will say that number is my median. Now range. Range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in the data. So right now the highest score of marks is what? 38, and the lowest is what? 20. So let's see the difference between them. It is 18. So range is what? 18. Now let's see this question. The pass marks for the test is 75%. How many students passed the test? So first of all, I need to know what is the meaning of 75%. What mark is it representing? So you see, this concept is merged here with percentage. And in year 7, students know how to find out the percentage of an amount. So marks of the maximum marks of the test was 40. So I'll find out here what is 75% of 40 marks, because that is a passing mark. Okay, so 75% of 40 we will figure out here, and I'm sure you know percentage. So then, because calculator is not allowed, so you have to show all the working here. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So what did I get here now? 75 upon 5 into 2. So let's do it one more time. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. 2 will go here, 25. 5 5s are 25. So what is left? 15 and 2. 15 2s are 30. It means passing marks are 30. So students who obtain 30 marks or above 30 marks are passed. So let's see how many students got 30 and above 30. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 students passed the test. So you will write 5 students. Good, na? It's a good question. Now, challenge question. More or less same type. A football team played 6 games. And you know, in different games, number of goals are scored. So these are the goals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the goals scored in those 6 games. Okay. So what is the first question? Work out the median number of goals. So again you will arrange it in the ascending order first. 0, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. These are 6 games score. So what is in the central position? These two are in the center, right? I told you whenever the even number of data is there will be 2 datas in the center. So to find out the median, what will I do? I will add up this data and divide it by 2. So median is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. Achha, by the way, let me tell you what mistakes students make. Because we look at the place value which is in the center. The students count 1, 2, 3, third place and fourth place, right? And what mistake they make? They add up the places and divide it by 2. You are not supposed to add up the places. You are supposed to add up the data which is present at that place. Okay, so don't make that mistake. Be very careful. Then question is saying work out the mean. So mean is simple addition of the data. So let me add up the data. That you can add up in any order. So we will add up the data and we will divide it by number of datas, which are 6. So 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So mean score of the goal is 3 goals. Okay. And here it was 2.5 goals. And okay, let's see this. The football team play one more game. Right now 6 games have played. The mean number of goals scored is to increase to 6. So what was the mean earlier? 3. But now what is the score? What is the mean? Mean is 4. Write down or work out the number of goals scored in the 7th game. So what comes in your mind? We know one concept, that mean multiplied by number of games, because mean is what? 4. This is representing goals, right? It is average. It is a mean number. So 4 multiplied by 7, because 7 games were there and 4 is representing the mean for those games. So 7 4s are 28. This is giving me total goals scored in 7 games, right? You should know what is the meaning of each answer. You should be able to interpret it. Now question is saying what was the goal scored in 7th game? So I already know here the total score of goals in 6th game. We did it here. It was 18. So 28 minus 18 is equals to 10. It means in the 7th game, 10 goals were scored. I hope you understand. Whenever we add up all the goals, that gives us the sum of the goals in those games. So in part B, we have already added up all the goals in those 6 games, and that was added up to 18. So once we have found out the total goals in 7 games, we simply subtract it. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, we will solve frequency distribution.